The engage or marketing engagement serves as the first phase of a marketing effort. Tracking marketing engagement quantifies strategy effectiveness. This article explores various forms of engagement: physical, online, email, comments, advertising reach, and audience interest to build business-customer relationships in today's dynamic marketing landscape. Video marketing has emerged as a potent strategy, offering visual consistency and appealing vibes across social media platforms. It engages through views that accumulate over time, delivering prolonged impact. Email marketing focuses on personal engagement, building relationships with customers through valuable and heartfelt communication. Personalized attachments and greetings create warmth and acceptance. Mobile marketing is another personalized strategy, though it can sometimes be seen as intrusive. It creates unexpected awareness and leaves a memorable impression on individuals who might not have anticipated such engagement. Make an impression, make an interaction, monitor the post clicks, and make an action. Embrace the fact that even a few engagements contribute to growth, provided you discern who, what, where, and when to engage with your social media audience. Positive engagement is achieved through making an impression, interaction, monitoring clicks, and taking action. Understanding engagement's value in global marketing and its impact on growth is emphasized. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.